Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with Gracie Designs, and this is Mornings with Gracie. So today, by special request, I'm going to show you how to thread my sewing machine, which is the SQ9285 computerized machine by Brother. I'm going to show you how to thread the SQ9285 Brother machine. For threading the needle, we will leave the machine off. First, we will place the thread onto the spool, and then it's going to go through two thread guides, down through the thread feed, back up through the thread feed, and then we're going to thread the needle. I have placed the spool on the spool pin. Make sure the thread comes underneath the spool. Next, I will bring the thread through the two thread guides. Then I will place the thread through the feeders, first down and then back up again and around and back down. Next, we put the thread through the needle bar and then we thread the needle. This machine is equipped with an automatic needle threader. Wrap the thread around the hook, press down on the lever, bring the thread across the needle's eye in the little claw, and release the lever. The threader pulls the thread through the eye of the needle and it's done. Now you are ready to sew your favorite projects. Well, I hope this video helped you learn how to thread your machine. As always, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share my channel, Gracie Designs, and join me next time on Mornings with Gracie.